My friends, good morning. Hope you are doing good and have a very good weekend. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. So let's learn and enjoy the weekend, my friends. So I would like to continue with my SQL class here, my friends. So I guess you are having good exposure on how to use the software, install it, download it, and execute normal SQL commands using the select statements, where clause, how to import the tables and all. I think it's very clear to now. So today we will discuss how to use order by. Order by is used for sorting categorical, and numerical columns. Rather, yes. Okay. And I will also use between. Between is used for sorting numerical columns. Numerical columns using and logic, or and operator, we can say. So let us see, friends, how it works. So quickly, we will the things remain the same. The requirement is the same. This is our customer table, and you see this is our total children's. So let us see what are the filters present in this table for total children. So we'll just put the distinct total children from customer. So we'll get all the filters here that we can execute. You see, now we know it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know the range. That's range. So the total children is from 0 to 5. So let us now execute our common logic, what I've written for you, my friends. You see, this is a common logic that we all know now. So what I want the first name, the last name, the total children from customer table. Let us now quickly write where total children between 1 and 4. So for example, this is my logic I've written. So let's see how it works. And let's execute it. So you can see, my friends, now we get the answers. We get the answers here for the 1 and 4. Anything between 1 and 4, we get the answer. So for example, now I also want to add here the order by. So we'll just write order by here. Order by and see order by. So maybe first name. We'll use first name and see how this works. First name. Let's just put it as the same thing. Let us see how it works, friends. Wow. Now you see what happened, my friends. You see, the order by has happened with the descending orders. You see the Z. So Z came first, and then if you scroll it down, you will see this goes like this. So Z to A. And by default, it takes ascending. And you see the total children's value, we have all ranges between 1 to 4. This is how, my friends, this works. And I hope you are enjoying my session. So stay tuned to my data science channel and let's learn and explore SQL more. We'll have few more sessions on SQL and try to understand some more logics in my, coming sessions. So subscribe my channel and ask your friends also to subscribe the channel. And thanks a lot for watching it. Have a great day ahead, my friends. Take care. Goodbye.